Hello and Namaskar, welcome to D&B Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these lovely chicken drumsticks in an oven. For this recipe, we are going to be using 8 chicken drumsticks and we have made slits in all of them so that they are cooked all the way to the bone. These are the list of spices that we are going to be requiring for this recipe. 1 teaspoon of Everest chicken masala, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon of degi lal mirch. Lastly, a pinch of garam masala. We will start by mixing all the spices together. We'll add half a teaspoon of ginger and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Next, we are going to be adding in all the spices one by one. Adding in a little bit of salt according to your taste. Next, we are adding in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Last but not the least, we are going to be adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in parts. And now we are going to be giving it a good mix until it becomes a nice and good paste. We'll now pour the mixture of spices on the chicken. While mixing it together, we are going to make sure to rub the spices on the chicken well so that it's completely coated. Now that our chicken is coated properly, we are going to be storing it in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. We will now arrange our chicken drumsticks in a lined baking tray and we are going to be baking it at 400°F for 40 minutes. Halfway to the baking, we have flipped all of them so that they are cooked properly from all the sides. Our chicken is perfectly cooked to the bones. It is nice and juicy inside and has a lovely crispy covering outside. The chicken drumsticks are now ready to be served with any dip of your choice. Enjoy!